Hi, my name's Terry George, formerly Mystery from Defender.
Hey, well, my name is Gabriel. I produce and DJ under the name Gremlins.
Wave Antidote, musically. I'm a producer, live performer, radio show host, and run a radio station online.
Hi, my name's Bella. I worked as a stripper for 2 years in 2 different strip clubs, doing sort of nude and semi-nude dances.
My name is Sophie, and I used to be a model, a stripper and a porn star for the adult entertainment industry.
With new political objectives comes a different culture and a new way of life. This, however, has been stigmatised and looked down on by the ruling classes. I want to explore this culture to show what really goes on at a rave, how this culture has progressed and why people go to raves today. Grandad, what's a rave?
Rave? I don't know what a rave is. What these young people get up to. The only rave I know is when your grandma says to me, I'm raving mad.
It's all about music, 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 music.
When your previous job includes swinging naked from poles, starring in films titled Breast Side Story or 28 Dicks Later, and doing anal is listed as a special skill, the transition from adult film stardom to mainstream life can be hard work. Warning, these are not your average 9-to-5 jobs.
The way my vagina looks.
You have to do squirting.
Okay, so to kick things off, we have the latest release out on different records. Sending out a big shout out to the Executioner Hieroglyphics and label boss Dexter on this one, tracks entitled Box Group. Then I'd like to send out some personal shout outs with a big love going out to all the Peer Pressure Records crew, Nurture Beats, Structure Music, and of course to all my Brighton bass heads, salute. Now it's time for our feature from the beautiful Offbeats producer Emma, interviewing the Pirate Radio aficionado Antidote, talking about his experiences in the lucrative and ever-evolving pirate radio realm and what the future holds. It's Offbeat Podcast, Volume 1, with Curious. Keep it locked.
You're locked on Offbeat Pirate Podcast.